We begin tonight with important changes to the federal tax code, which could mean a whole lot more money in our refund checks.
Brian Burns sat down with one expert who explains the biggest three changes and joins us now live in studio with more. Brian.
Well, Leslie, Mike, the child tax credit, higher tax brackets, and even a credit for electric vehicles and certain home improvements may mean a better refund than last year.
Most of the adjustments are for inflation. Standard deduction is a little higher. Earned income credit is a little higher. And the tax schedule changed also, where you're taxed at a lower rate at higher incomes.
Del Mar professor of accounting, Fino Palacios, says the child tax credit is increasing.
Currently, if you're under 17 years old, you get a $2,000 credit. Some of it is refundable. If you're over 17, it's only a $500 credit.
The maximum credit for the 2023 tax year is $74.30, up almost $500 from $69.35 the prior year. The refund cap was previously $1,600 and would increase to $1,800 in 2023, $1,900 this year, and on in successive years. Then there's an increase in credits for energy-efficient home improvements.
That was a major change. Before, that credit, if you used it, you couldn't use it anymore. Starting in 2023, if you bought an air conditioner, you get a credit for that. It's a larger credit than before. But then the following year, if you need to replace windows or do insulation, you can use the credit again.
Palacios says the IRS has moved tax brackets forward a bit. If you made $45,000 in 2023, you would have fallen into the 22% tax bracket. But if your income remains at $45,000 this year, you'll drop down to the 12% bracket. That means you'll be paying less tax next year and will have less money withdrawn from your paycheck. There's even an increase in the $7,500 deduction for certain electric vehicles.
Wherever you're buying the electric vehicle from, talk to the dealer. The dealer will know whether that vehicle qualifies for the special credit.
Palacios says the tax code goes through some change each year.
You might miss certain things if you try to do it on your own. And basically, you have a W-2, nothing else. You can do it on your own.
Most taxpayers get their refunds within 21 days. People who file their taxes as soon as they could on January 29th should get their payments by February 19th. Mike?